In SOLIDWORKS 2025, there's a new drawing feature called Family Tables. This tool makes it easy to document and display part and assembly variations directly in your drawings. Let me show you how it works. The Family Table command inserts configuration data into your drawing automatically. No more workarounds. We just launch the command and start building your table. The command can be found under the Tables menu and then Family Table. Here's the Property Manager. You can select an open document or browse for the one that you want to use to create the family table. On the second page, you can choose a template for your table. You can save your settings and then reuse them later, just like in other tables in SOLIDWORKS. Under the dimension column, this is where we pick where the dimensions come from, either the design table or configuration table, and you can also decide whether to include dimensions marked for drawings or not. You can also import all configurations or just specific ones that you want to create your table from. In the rest of the Property Manager, we can adjust the table formatting and appearances as needed. Click OK and the table appears. It may include extra information, so let's just go ahead and clean that up quickly. Okay, now we have the table cleaned up and it contains the parameters from our model, like head height, length, diameter, major diameter, minor diameter, etc. You can customize columns by double-clicking headers and selecting any dimension from the model, as you can see in this list. Next, let's link drawing dimensions to the family table. As long as you bring in model dimensions using model items, you can link them easily. Hover over a dimension, you can see its name from the model. Select it, and in the Property Manager, we can check off this checkbox to link it to the family table column. So clicking the button here is going to link this dimension to the length column name in our family table. Okay, and let's do that again with the diameter. As you can see, this makes documenting multiple product variations simple and efficient using family tables in SOLIDWORKS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos.